Ito po yung pagpapatunay na ako po hindi hausyaw na abogado, ako po may opisinang notarial office po. Just to set the record straight, I am a duly commissioned notary public for the City of Las Piñas over a decade, no? And as I've said, as I've explained, the pinagsamang sinumpaang salaysay is no ordinary affidavit, ano? Okay? Actually, marami kasi siyang mga affiance, no? So I had to perform my notarial duties in accordance with the rules on notarial practice, and I told the NBI that everything was documented. All the competent evidence of identity were verified, no? And they confirmed to me that it is their voluntary statement. So I just did perform my notarial duties, no?
Sir, umarap ba yung 18 ex-Marines nung nag-notarize kayo ng affidavit nila?
Yes po, they subscribed the pinagsamang sinumpang salaysay on my front, no? And I verified all their identities and I administered the oath as expected of me as a notary public. Ang notary public po, wala pong alam yan kung ano po yung nilalaman ng statement na yan or yung salaysay na yan. Ang trabaho po namin, alamin namin kung yun ay pinirmahan ng kusa, walang pangako, walang gantimpala, walang pera, hindi sila pinwersa. At kapag yan ay kinumpirma nila sa amin, i-administer namin yung oath nila. Yun po ang trabaho namin. I browse over it, but I have nothing to do with the contents of the sinumpang salaysay. Hindi po namin trabaho yun. Basta sinasabi po nila, kusa po namin binigay ito at nakaharap kami sa iyo, ito po yung competent evidence of identity namin, kami po pumirma niyan, notaryohan po namin.